In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow camera access in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This will open the main Chrome menu where you can access different browser options and preferences. From that list, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles your browsing data, website permissions, and security-related features. Next, click Site Settings. In this area, Chrome lets you control what websites are allowed to use, such as your camera, microphone, location, and notifications. Scroll until you reach the Permissions section, then click Camera. This is the specific setting that controls whether websites can request access to your camera. When you are in the camera settings, select the option that says Sites can ask to use your camera. Turning this on allows websites to request camera access when needed, instead of being blocked automatically. Once this setting is enabled, Chrome will be ready to let supported websites ask for permission to use your camera. When you visit a site that needs camera access, you should see a prompt near the top of the browser where you can allow or deny access for that specific site. That covers everything you need to know.